Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can stream on both Twitch and TikTok at the same time in 2025. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a Twitch account and the TikTok account with the live access. On TikTok specifically, you usually need 1000 plus followers to go live. Also, you need to apply for a TikTok stream key, and some of the accounts may have it in the creator tools under the live studio option. So if you have the option of going live on Twitch and TikTok, you will have to download OBS Studio or any other streaming services like Streamlabs or Restream.io in your device. For most of you like to use OBS, it is free. So you need to come on obsproject.com, and depending on the device that you are using, you need to click on that particular button. Like if you are using Windows, you need to click on the Windows option and the setup will be downloaded in your device. Afterwards, you need to install OBS Studio in your device and it should look something like this. Now over here you need to link your Twitch and the TikTok stream key to these platforms, and in OBS you need to set up the scenes with your camera, the overlay, and the game and the audio sources. So here you will see the scenes option. You need to create a scene by clicking on this plus icon, then provide your scene a name and press OK. Over here you will see the sources right next to it. So you need to click on the plus icon, and from here you need to click on the display capture option and click on OK. Then your display will be here in the black screen, and you will be able to basically select it. If you want to add audio, simply click on the plus icon again, and here you need to click on the audio input capture and the output capture as well. Here you can also select the VLC video capture and the Windows capture. So you need to provide these sources over here. Once you are done, you need to make sure that the resolution is correct. Like Twitch uses 16:9 aspect ratio, whereas TikTok uses 9:16 aspect ratio, that is vertical. So you can use OBS's multiple output plugins, or you can open a second OBS instance to crop and fit the stream vertically for TikTok. You can also use a second virtual camera output for TikTok using OBS virtual cam, or split your webcam view. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.